how to set up Amazon Echo Dot. To set up Amazon Echo Dot that we currently have over here, so the process is fairly simple to set this up. What we're going to need is we're going to need the Amazon Alexa app to set it up and connect with our Amazon account. So you launch the Amazon Alexa app assuming you already have an Amazon account and that you've logged in. Now you come to this option, which is this bulb icon, which is the devices icon. Now from here, from the top right hand side, tap on this little plus icon and tap on the option called add device. Here we will select Amazon Echo because that is what we are trying to set it up. Again, we will select Amazon Echo. Now, before you go any further, you have to put your Amazon Echo Dot into pairing mode. You will know it is in pairing mode if it is displaying or blinking an orange light like this. If it is not blinking an orange light, you have to manually put this in pairing mode. To manually put this in pairing mode, depending upon the Echo that you have, if you're getting this option, select no. If you have an Echo that looks like mine, right? So you can see the buttons that looks like this. You just have to long press this action button for about 20 seconds. And it will display an orange light. But if you have Echo that looks like this, you can press the plus and minus. If you have an Echo that looks like this, within the app only you can see you have to press the microphone off, which is the mute button, and the volume plus button. So in my case, I'm seeing an orange light, so of course now I will just tap on the yes option right there. And once I've done that, I will be able to connect my Amazon Echo Dot to Amazon Alexa and set it up successfully. It will search for the device. Then as long as it is in pairing mode, as I repeat again, tap on the Echo Dot option. Here you'll find your device, which you can then connect it. That way you can set up Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.